Once we have the windows in, now we can put the cover boards in. Now these cover boards for the outside are designed to go between the log siding. This gives us the exact same look as our classic cabin. These are fastened from the inside, so Al's going to put this up into place, and George is going to flush it out with the top plate. That's where it goes. We'll show that in closer details in the written instructions, but it flushes out with the top plate. So Al will just hold that into place, and then the beauty of the system is stuff gets fastened from the inside, so you don't see any fasteners on the outside of the cabin. If you'll notice in our log siding, you don't see any fasteners. The reason for that is we fasten everything from the inside. That's a unique feature and kind of a engineering marvel that we were able to do to put this together. The only fasteners that we'll show will be at our base. We got one base log to go, and we'll show you that once George and we get these two pieces set. So we're going to move over on the inside. Sometimes that top plate will already be set. So we'll go through that in later shots, but there is another top plate that goes on top of that wall panel, so it doubles up. So we have, again, a double plate for bearing, installing the knotty pine and that kind of thing. A good thing to do is get your screws started on the inside, and then when we get it positioned, and if somebody just holds it a little bit on the outside, the other screws will bring it tight all by themselves, so it'll tighten it up. Again, this is decorative. This really has no structure. It closes between the panels. You may want to use a caulk or a sealant at this point here, should some little cracks appear. And that is going to be dependent on your siding color when you buy, or excuse me, your stain that you put on the siding. Now these are pre-stained. The reason we pre-stain them is this is a model that we take up and put down at various shows, so it's finished up. So we're showing you the finished product. If you have any further questions, contact us at the information listed.